Yeah?
It's confirmed.
Are you sure?
Keto Chow is releasing a new secret flavor this Black Friday.
What is it? What's the flavor?
All I know is that nobody seems to agree how it's spelled. I've said too much already.
Say no more.
I wasn't going to.
So there I was, trying to solve the mystery of the Keto Chow flavor, releasing this Black Friday. Hard at work.
You have the right to remain silent.
Very hard at work. Mine is a difficult job. When all of a sudden a note was slipped under my door.
A note was slipped under my door.
So I went to get it.
I better go get it.
It comes down to a ship's captain.
A ship's captain?
A ship's captain.
Well, now we're just running around in circles. Who are you?
I'm more interested in who you are. You're investigating the mystery of the new Black Friday flavor for Keto Chow, aren't you?
Maybe I am, maybe I'm not.
Well, I have some information for you about the case.
Well, what is it?
10 billion.
Listen, I don't have that kind of dough.
It's not money. 10 billion made in the US every year.
That's supposed to help me? Now listen, we're running out of time to solve the mystery of the new Keto Chow flavor that's releasing this Black Friday. This is what I need you to do. You're gonna go here. Then I need you to go inside, take a look around. I need more clues so I can solve this thing.
Why this building? Are there clues there? This ain't Keto Chow headquarters.
No idea, but we gotta start somewhere. Look through everything you find there. I don't want you glazing over any details.
But what if something goes wrong? I could get sent to the hole.
Probably. But that's a risk I'm willing to take.
This whole thing seems half-baked. Come on. I mean, if it goes wrong, I could get iced.
Seems unfair, don't it? But that's the job. After weeks of trying to solve the mystery of the new Keto Chow flavor, just like that, it was over. I failed. I was out of time. The first mystery I wasn't able to solve in my career. Except for the other ones I couldn't figure out.
I was this close. I was this close.